I've just been up to see my neighbour Jerry, see how he is with this these strange times, see if he wanted anything. Anyway, parked up at his house and I took the 110 for a run, you see, with a new head, and it does go remarkably well. It is very, very good. But when I stepped back from the car, can you see what I can see? See? Drip, drip, drip. Let's have a look and see what it is. Well, I know what it is. I've got to have some suspense in this bloody thing. Right, let me go and see, get this bonnet open. I'll take the camera off the stand and I'll put the light on and see what we can see. Yes, it's our old friend, the pea gasket is pouring out down here. You can see the water going down the side of the block down there, look. You're going to ask me why I didn't replace the pea gasket. Well, he said it had already been done. Probably not very well. Because you can see sealer just on there, look. So, I'm going to have to let that cool down and replace this pea gasket. That means taking all this piece off here. That's going to be a lot of fun, isn't it, boys and girls, eh? Yeah, so moral of this story is don't take anybody's word for granted. We should see what's on there. It's got, it's a bit warm. It's got silicone on there, you see. Did they put a pea gasket on? Or didn't they put any gasket on at all? But somebody's been into it before. So I'm not going to do it today. I've had enough for today. We'll let it cool down and we'll come back to it tomorrow. Yeah, maybe that's a better view of it. You've all seen them. But I was just thinking there, I was just thinking to myself there. I don't see my finger. Let's put it on wide again. There we go. Was that the cause of the cylinder head going in the first place? See those tiny telltale signs of rust on the block and round here? Had that been leaking for a long time, and when this guy took this for a long road trip, it slowly drip, 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 caused it to overheat the head, and that was the end of that. The engine is fine, there's no problems with that at all. I've got a pea gasket in stock, but I just don't fancy doing it today. I'll do it tomorrow. Another episode, eh? The gift that keeps on giving, Land Rover. Alright, just a quickie. See you later.